In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically generate content on Hootsuite. To get started, you will first sign in to Hootsuite. Open your browser, go to Hootsuite, and enter your login details. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is where you can manage social posts, view activity, and access tools that help you stay consistent with your content. Next, you will select the plus button labeled Create a Post. This button is typically used to begin writing a new post. Take a moment to look at the interface so you can find the correct button. It should be clearly marked with a plus icon and the words Create a Post. Clicking it opens the Composer, where you will choose where your content will go and start building the post. After you open the Post Composer, you will select the social account or accounts you want to post to. This step matters because it determines which platforms will receive your content. You may see options for different profiles under your organization. Carefully choose the accounts that match your intended audience, such as a specific brand page or a linked profile. If you plan to publish to more than one platform, make sure all the ones you want are selected before moving on. Now, once you have your posting account chosen, look toward the top right area of the screen for a feature called Wisdom. Click Wisdom in the top right. Wisdom is where Hootsuite can help generate a draft for you based on the idea you provide. This is the automated part of the workflow, and it helps you save time while still producing a usable starting point. With Wisdom opened, you will enter your content idea or prompt. Think of this as the key message you want to communicate. For example, you can describe the topic, the goal of the post, or the general tone you want. When you type, keep it clear and specific so the generated content has something solid to work from. After you submit your prompt, Hootsuite will produce suggested text that you can review. At this point, you will review and edit the generated post. This is an important step because the automatic draft is a starting point, not a final publish-ready message. Read through the content carefully to ensure it matches your brand voice and your intended message. Check for anything that sounds off, remove details you do not want, and adjust wording so it feels natural. If the post includes elements that are not relevant, edit them out. If you need to add clarity, you can refine the language until it is exactly what you want. Once you are satisfied with your edits, you will click Insert. Clicking Insert adds the finalized generated text into the Post Composer. At this stage, the post should appear in the editor, where you can still make small adjustments if needed. Take a second to confirm that the content you see is the version you want to use. Finally, you will decide when to publish. You will select Schedule for Later or Post Now, depending on your plan. If you want the post to go out at a specific time, choose Schedule for Later, then set the timing within the scheduling options presented. If you are ready to publish immediately, choose Post Now. Either choice should align with your workflow and your content calendar, so your posting stays consistent. That is the full process from start to finish. Sign in, start a new post, choose your social accounts, open Wisdom, enter your idea, review and edit the generated draft, insert it into your post, and then schedule it or publish right away. That covers everything you need to know.